several dozens of flights having been cancelled from Terminal 1. Well, let's just listen into what the Civil Aviation Minister, someone who's just taken charge, Ram Mohan Naidu, he visited the terminal this morning and took stock of the situation there. Given this roof collapse, he also visited those injured in the hospital. Let's just listen into what he said.
So today morning at 5 o'clock, a very unfortunate incident happened at Terminal 1, Delhi Airport. And like you already know, a section of the canopy, which is outside of the airport extension of the airport building, has collapsed due to heavy rains that has been happening since the night. And we want to express our condolence to the life that has been lost in this tragic incident also. And along with that, 4 people have also been injured. So we are taking care of them right now. As soon as the incident happened, it has come to our notice and we have reacted immediately.
See, the priority as Minister also suggested after his visit was that right now the operations are suspended till midnight tonight. So right now the priority is to clear the debris which has fallen down, the rooftop or the canopy which has fallen down right near the departure of Terminal 1, and heavy machinery has also been brought in to clear it. But first, before the machinery could reach that place, we also need manual labor to clear it. That is why people who are involved in the rescue operation, they are right there at the spot and nobody is allowed to reach there right now. So the first priority or the first operation which has started is to clear the debris manually, and then perhaps large excavators and crane machines have been deployed there. And if you can see from here, I'll ask my camera person to show you, that's an elevated stretch of the road through which the cabs drop passengers near the collapse site. And today morning when the cabs arrived there at around 5:30, this came down, the entire roof, a portion of the roof came down, hitting one of the cab, killing one of the cab drivers and injuring around 5 to 6 people who are admitted in AIIMS hospital. The minister came in, he said that all the relief or rescue teams of NDRF and other agencies, they have been deployed over there. So it is a time consuming exercise because these are large parts of iron beams and other parts of the canopy which has come down. So it will take time. It's a time consuming exercise. It's a challenge to remove it. Thankfully, it's not raining over here right now. So had it been raining like it was in the morning at the time of the incident, that would have been a major challenge for the rescue team. But as of now, they're all, most of the rescue workers who sort of rescued cars as well as people there, around 5 to 6 people who are injured. Right now, there is no one except the rescue workers, so they're on it to remove the debris from the departure site of the Terminal 1.
All right, and as we mentioned earlier, a political fight, a war of words has broken out over this roof collapse at Terminal 1, with the Congress hitting out at the Narendra Modi-led government, saying that victims bore the brunt of the corrupt, inept and selfish government's action. The party also accused the centre of corruption and criminal negligence, given the collapse of the roof that has taken place at Terminal 1, in which one person has also been killed. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also posted Delhi Airport Terminal 1, which was inaugurated by the Prime Minister in March. Today, its roof collapsed, in which a cab driver died tragically. Though the government has sought to clarify that this portion that collapsed was not the one that was inaugurated in March. Trinamool Congress Rajya Sabha MP Saket Gokhale also posted shocking and tragic news this morning. The roof at Delhi Airport's T1 collapsed, and until now, in fact, one person has died. So that's incorrect. One person died, 6 others were injured. Earlier, NDTV's Aishwarya spoke to Praful Patel. Now, you know, the government saying that this portion of the Terminal 1 was built during the UPA years. Well, we spoke to the aviation minister during the UPA years, who is now with the NDA government. Praful Patel, listen into what he had to say.
Sir, an unfortunate incident was witnessed today at the Delhi airport. You were then the civil aviation minister when this building was inaugurated. Unfortunately, one person died and 6 others were injured. How do you analyzing the entire turn of events that occurred at Delhi Airport today?
First, I'm very, I would say, concerned that a building which is a public building and of a magnitude and scale of T1 has had some kind of an accident where people have lost lives, and my condolences to the deceased and to the injured, speedy recovery. But at the same time, you see, now talking about any structure which was built 15 years ago and which has been around and stood so many I would say, years of, usage to come to some conclusion about what has happened, and only an audit and a complete investigation can reveal. I can only say that T1, as I remember, was made by one of the best construction companies of the country, or probably one of the best in the world, Larsen & Toubro. And obviously any building, when it is constructed, goes through the mandatory procedures from various agencies to approve whether the structure is safe and made according to design and plan. So I cannot comment on something what was constructed 15 years ago. All I can say is that going forward, we are going to have so many more such buildings, and these are not cement concrete buildings like the past buildings. These are all now new age buildings made out of structural steel, large areas, and it is important that going forward all designs in these matters should be properly examined.
4-4.5 घंटा बीतने के बाद भी पानी के, यहाँ देखिए कार आज भी डूबी है, पानी अभी भी लगा हुआ है और आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार गायब है। इन नालों को न साफ करने के कारण कुछ देर तक एनडीएमसी एरिया में भी जल जमाव हुए हैं, लेकिन वो मैक्सिमम आधे घंटे में पौन घंटे में उसको रिलीज किया गया पानी। लेकिन नीचे के जो नाले हैं, जिसको हम लोग पिछले 1-1.5 महीने से हम अलग अलग नालों पे जा करके कह रहे हैं इसको साफ करो, डीसिल्टिंग करो, यमुना जी के कई क्षेत्रों को, तो वहां पे अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की सरकार जमीन पे ढूंढने से भी नहीं मिल रही है।